targets its minorities in a systematic way will be able to stay united. What they are doing to the Christians, the Hindus, the Buddhists in Bangladesh, whether they are Hindu Bengalis, Chakmas, Moks, Khasis, Garos, Jaintiyas, Manipuris, Tiprasas from our community. What they are doing, they are burning down our temples, our churches, our Buddhist monasteries is unacceptable. And I ask the government of India, we are talking about Palestine, we are talking about Israel, we are talking about Ukraine, Russia. Government of India should go to United Nations and expose Bangladesh for their attacks on the minorities. We have to stop this right now. This has happened in 40s, it's happened in 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Every 10 years they do this. A country like Bangladesh, which does not respect its own leader like Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, Rabindranath Tagore, is a country which does not understand the language of love and diplomacy. At some point, we have to also ensure the protection of the minorities. And if Bangladesh cannot protect its minorities, India created Bangladesh by breaking Pakistan. Bangladesh can also be broken because there are enough minorities, Buddhists, Hindus, Chakmas, Tiprasas, and Hindu Bengalis, which can create a separate country. So, the government of India should understand that. And we are a bordering state. Northeast borders Bangladesh. Bangladesh is actively promoting anti-India elements, anti-India hatred against us, against our country. So it is in our interest to also counter them with a plan B, which India does not have yet.
Thank you.